Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can export data from Pipedrive. So this is useful for backup, reporting, or transferring data to other platforms. So you have to make sure that you're on the full version or plan for full access. So the first thing that you will have to do is from your dashboard, you will see this three dots button right here, which is more. So click that. So once you click that, you will see export data option. So click that as well. And once you're here, you will just have to select your data type. So it can be leads, deals, organization, people, products, activities, notes, or files. So yeah, just select any. So once you've selected your data type, what you will have to do is you will basically just pick the one you need. So it depends on the format that you have. So it can be Excel, CSV, or whatsoever. So yeah, Pipedrive supports these two formats. So make sure to pick the one that you need. So once you've already chosen the correct export format, you will just have to click export and then wait a few minutes, and then the file will be downloaded. And then after it has been downloaded, you will just have to open the exported file and check that all fields and data are complete and correctly formatted. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.